Let's solve these questions using the Vedic mathematics. So what I'm trying to do is the number which is ending with 1, we have to do square. So example is 41 square and 61 square. How to do it using the Vedic mathematics? So there is a simple method. First what we have to do is 41 is close to 40. Okay, so this 40 become a base number, so we will square 40 first. So 40 square is equal to 1600. Then add the base number to this. So base number is 40, this is our base number, and then add the original number for which we are trying to do the square. So this is the 41. So if you sum it up, it will become a 1681. So this is the square of the 41. Now let's do the second number, 61 square. We will do the same thing. The closest to 61 is original number, and closest to 61 is 60. So 60 become a base number, so we'll do the square of 60. So 60 square will become 3600. Then you add the base number, so base number is 60, plus you add the original number because we are trying to do a square of 61. So this become your number. Okay, so 3600 plus 121, so this become a 1273. So this is the answer. So this is how we do the square of the number which is ending with a 1 using the Vedic mathematics. It's a very simple. Thank you very much.